All right, so this video, I'm just going to have a little chat about this VS ute that I got in the shop. I made a video on it probably 12 months ago. Seemed to go pretty well. I didn't actually realise it had so many views on it, so obviously people enjoyed watching it. So I've got a dilemma with this ute. I don't know what to do, and I'm looking for your feedback, thoughts and opinions. If this ute was yours and you're in my situation, what would you be doing? So I've had this ute for probably 5 years, 6 years, and I acquired it. It basically just fell in my lap. I wasn't looking for a ute to buy. I wasn't looking to buy anything. It was just by chance that it came up, and the guy that owned it came straight to me and basically wanted to offload it to me. So that's how I acquired the ute. I got it for a decent price. I mean, it's before COVID prices and things like that. But so originally when I got the ute, the plan was basically to pull the engine out because it's a 5 litre ute. And I was going to whack it in my VL, which is down there in the corner. So that was the original plan. I bought the ute. It sat out front of, or out the back of my shop for 2 or 3 years, and I just basically forgot about it because it was out of sight, out of mind. Then when I moved shops from where I was to where I am now, this shop's obviously a lot smaller than what I had, so the ute was right in front of my face. So it gave me the opportunity to take a good look at the ute, walk around it, spend some time looking at it, and I thought it's probably too good to just pull the motor out and discard of the body. When I got the ute, I was under the assumption that it was a factory 5 litre ute, so I thought, beauty, it's got to be worth something. So when I made the video on the ute about 12 months ago, I basically made the video and I didn't really look into it too much. After I posted the video, I thought I'll have a bit of a dig at it and have a look. So obviously the first place I go to is the ID tags, and as well as all the comments on the video and things like that. I realised it's not a factory 5 litre ute, it's a V6 ute that's had the conversion done at some point. So once I figured out that the ute wasn't a factory 5 litre, it sort of took the wind out of my sails a little bit, and I thought maybe it's not worth putting the time and effort into as well as the money. So my question to you guys is it worth doing, or do I go back to the original plan to just pull the engine out and just cut my losses and get rid of it? 5 litre conversions I've seen anywhere from 2 to 3,500, depends on, what it is, I suppose, and how good it is. I don't know fuck all about this engine. I did work with this guy for a few years and he drove the ute daily, so I'm assuming the motor's fairly good, needs a service and things like that. I haven't touched it since the video. So which brings me to the point where now I have joined a few groups on Facebook and sussed them out, what they're going for. And I have seen a few that are creeping up. I mean, asking price is not what a ute's going to sell for, really, let's be honest, but I've seen people ask 10K plus. There's one on there last week, it was like 13 grand, V6, 5 litre converted ute. So if I'm going to tidy the ute up, which I'm in two minds about, I'm happy to spend some time on it, get it sorted, spend some money on it. But if I'm going to do it, the intention is to offload the ute, and it's obviously going to be a budget thing. I don't want to dump thousands into this ute to then not get return on investment, because I don't plan on keeping the ute. If I fix this ute up, the ute will be for sale. I'm not attached to the ute. I don't need the ute. I don't really want to keep the ute. I need room in the shop. So it's either I fix the ute and offload it, or I just yank the motor out and get rid of it and be done with it. So if you haven't watched the video I put up 12 months ago, if you're only new here, you can go back and watch it if you want to. I'm not going to, re-record the same sort of thing, but the ute is fairly good. I'll flip the camera and just do a quick little look at it, just to refresh memories, but I'm really looking for some thoughts and opinions on what I should be doing here. So I'll give you a bit of a look at it and we'll keep yarning. So body-wise, I mean, the ute's pretty good. It needs a new guard on it, which I've got in the back. Front bar I can get, that's no dramas. A few stone chips on the bonnet, that's not much. The rest of the ute is pretty good. It's got a few little dings down the side, which are not much. These rails are a bit, you know, I would need to paint them. The tailgate's not too bad on it, I'm pretty sure. The other side is pretty much the same. It's got a little bit of a fucking ding in the back quarter there. But anyway, so under the bonnet's fairly tidy. I'm assuming it's a VN engine. Pretty sure when I checked the engine number, it was a VU prefix. So it's pretty tidy underneath here. Like, I wouldn't have to do a whole lot. The main thing that lets us shoot down is the trim. The trim's fucked. So when I got it off old mate, he was in there mucking around. I don't know what he was changing or fixing or whatever, but he pulled everything apart and never put it back together. So that's basically why it's like all fucking torn out like that. So my thing is, if I was going to do something with the ute, I obviously want to do bare minimum. I don't want to spend months and months on it, and I don't want to spend thousands of dollars. The original plan was just to tidy it up in the trim, but I think if I'm going to do something with the ute and then put it up for sale, the trim's got to be fairly decent. The door trims are fucked. I could probably use the backs, like the actual card itself, but the fabric bits, one of them's really good and the other one's just toast. So I probably won't be able to find any that match the seats. So maybe the option is to find a good front pair of seats, door trims, pull the carpet out, maybe put new carpet or just clean the one that's in it. The airbag cover's fucked, which I don't know how I'm going to fix that, if I can even fix that. So, long story short, what do I do with this ute? Do I tidy it up, paint the guard, paint a bar, put it on, fix a few of the dents in the quarters, make it presentable, put a decent trim in it, maybe whack a new tarp on it, put some stockies on it, cleaned up, new tyres, whatever, make it look decent and put it up for sale. Realistically, if I'm going to do that and put this ute up for sale, to make it worth my while, I've probably got to get, I would imagine if I was to spend $1,500 to $2,000 on this ute, I've sort of got to price it around the $7,000 to $8,000 mark. Now, before you shoot me in the comments, I don't know what something like this would be worth. I don't know VS's. VNs, VLs are my thing, plus, you know, the old Holdens is what I've grown up with. So if $7,000 or $8,000 is probably something reasonable, what I could get for the ute, I'd probably consider doing it and obviously filming it or making content on the way as well. So that's all I wanted to talk about. I just need some thoughts and opinions. I've talked to a few mates about it. They're sort of the same as me. I've got a couple telling me, nah, just pull the engine out and fuck it off, don't worry about it. You know, it's not worth it. But after seeing a few utes for sale for decent sort of money, and I wouldn't ask the same amount of money, because these utes that are, where the owners are asking 10 grand, the utes are pretty tidy. This one's not up to that level. I could probably get it somewhat close, but I think if I could get around 7-ish for the ute, maybe 6.5, I'd probably consider doing it, because at the end of the day, if I'm going to put time in it and money into it to sell, like we all do, we want to make somewhat of a profit. It's got to be worth it. Not looking to make $1 million in profit, but just something would be nice, rather than just pull the engine out and then I'm stuck with the body of the ute. That's what's sort of going through my head. I mean, once I pull the engine out, well, the ute really is fucking worthless. What am I supposed to do with it? So anyway, I'm not going to ramble and waste your time too much more. just a quick video I wanted to bang out there. So everyone that's recently subscribed and continued watching, thanks for the support, appreciate it. Time is valuable, so I appreciate that you spend 10 minutes, 20 minutes watching my videos. It's all appreciated. So let me know in the comments what you do if you're me in this situation. Mind you, I don't really need to pay labour or anything. I can do it all myself, all the bodywork and everything, the paint, whatever. And I'm happy to spend some time on it if that's the direction that I go in. So let me know in the comments what you do and help me make a decision. So I'm going to get back to work on the VZ now. There'll be a video coming out on that probably next week. So I'll see you in that one. Cheers, guys.